Akirekereria maumirira ma mieri 6 ya mbere ya mwaka uyu, murugamiriri munene wa bengi ya Equity Dagitari James Mwangi augite matacukia na mitaratara ya gutereba bengi ino iria ikoretwo ikirumirirwo na kinyi niwe hotithitie bengi ino gukura kuria nuthu-ini ya mbere ya mwaka uyu. Bengi ino ihotete gũthondeka baita ya ciringi bilioni 45.5, baita iria ikurite na gicunji kia 32 harĩ igana.
We see a very stable loan to deposit ratio at 62, again suggesting that the intermediation machinery and engine is very, very efficient.
Muthitho wa aigithia naguo gikura na gicunji kia 21 harĩ igana nginya trilioni 1.59.
In terms of deposits, Kenya is at 900 billion and DRC is at 700 billion.
Oho Dagitari James Mwangi akiuga ukuria uyu ni umanite na bengi ino gutambia honge ituri ciothe cia bururi ona nja wa bururi na kwihokeka kwa bengi ino kuri andu a ikiro ciothe.
These again affirms that Equity Group is no longer a national bank or a financial group. It's a regional Pan-African organization, well diversified.
Makiria na uguo utana wa Equity tabarira-ini citiganite cia gucokeria muingi guoko no utumite bengi ino kugia na ritwa riega na gwitikirika makiria muingi-ini.
Our biggest focus is on scholarships, and the scholarship and health, that is 50% of our program.
Bengi ya Equity no ikoretwo na mitaratara ya kurumbuia ahuri a biacara na tona ngombo tu indi ona mathomo ma gwikuria na uigithia. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, Gitu Wangari Maria wa Muigana.